Major cases being brought before Massachusetts' highest court today. The state Supreme Judicial Court is going to consider whether or not to throw out the involuntary manslaughter conviction of Michelle Carter.
So as we've previously reported, 22-year-old Carter convicted of encouraging her boyfriend, 18-year-old Conrad Roy III, to kill himself through text messages. Julianne Lima joining us from the newsroom now with the very latest developments on the case.
Can words alone kill? That's the argument surrounding the Michelle Carter case. She was convicted of involuntary manslaughter back in June of 2017, but now her attorneys either want that verdict thrown out or a new trial to be ordered. Eyewitness News was in court in Taunton Juvenile Court every day for Carter's trial. A judge ultimately convicted her of involuntary manslaughter. The strongest evidence against her, hundreds of text messages she sent to the victim and to her friends. In one, Carter admits she told her boyfriend, Conrad Roy III, to get back in his truck as it was filling with carbon monoxide gas. He had allegedly gotten out when he felt the gas poisoning him. Carter's lawyers in the American Civil Liberties Union argue the judge was wrong in convicting Carter since she wasn't present at the time of Roy's death and her only weapon was words. They also say her speech is protected under the First Amendment.
Our argument is because there was no physical action, nor there was any physical presence. Everything was a speech, if you will, whether it be text or verbal. It was speech alone, no physical assistance, no physical participation.
But prosecutors say ordering a depressed teenager to commit suicide is not protected speech. They say she could have stopped Roy's suicide, and had it not been for her messages, he may still be alive. Now, Carter was sentenced to 15 months in jail, but she's remained free while her case is in the process of being appealed. Today's hearing is set for 9 a.m. in a courtroom in Boston. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Julianne Lima, Eyewitness News.